Let me ask you a question. If 100 companies buy the same software from Microsoft, and software defines how a business operates, how are any of them going to have a competitive advantage with each other? For the past 6 years, I've been building a solution to that question, and I agree with Steve Jobs. The solution is made of apps. I also believe Gartner research is right. In the near future, most companies will run their own private app store. I spent most of my life building what became a private app store for Rodco, the company I work for. When we find a problem or an opportunity, we say, let's build an app for that. It's like your smartphone, where all the apps are visually available, and it's powered by Salesforce.com, so it's secure. With the Rodco App Store, we can build and launch apps for our employees, customers, and partners with very little effort. We can build an app in a week, so we're always experimenting. We build apps so our team can send mobile marketing from their mobile phones. Then we build apps for logistics. Now it's even fun to assign shipments to our trucks. We added publicity to our invoices, and we can build custom apps for each customer segment if we need to. We constantly study our users, in person and with statistics. We see them working on Excel, we figure a better way and build an app. We see they bring an app to work, like Dropbox. We build them a better one integrated with our system. We studied our shipping process. Amazed at how error-prone it was, we built an app that linked 3 distinct departments. Now, we can ship full truckloads in 48 hours and spend less in gas. When we look at the world in terms of apps, it's easier to solve problems because we can fix one at a time. So I say, let's build an app for that. I've come to realize the tipping point of innovation occurs when you are able to experiment. The app concept and the private app store are perfect for business because they promote just that. Here at Rodco, we decided to make our technology, knowledge, and code available so that all companies can have their own private app store. We are using standard open source technologies and methodologies so everyone can get started just as easy as we did. Let's just build one app that fixes one problem, and many more will come after that. We are different because we are not solving a technological problem, we are solving an innovation problem in business with technology. First, we solved the technical problems. We experimented with many programming languages and methodologies. We are an early adopter of Salesforce.com and Rodco. We adopted the single-page experience of Facebook, Gmail, and Twitter. Real-time feeds and updates, we made our whole system social. Then, we became mobile. We also solved the commercial problems. We wanted to evolve technologically, but that was impossible with the one-sided contracts of all software corporations that lock you in to their proprietary solutions. They lock you in for life. Salesforce.com and Rodco Cloud Services are cornerstone partners in our solution, as well as the whole open source community. Finally, we solve the scalability problems. If another company embraces our philosophy and uses our technology, how are we going to provide all the required services? What happens to early adopters if our business model fails? That's why it's so important to develop with open source technologies. First, we promote direct contracts with Salesforce.com and Rodco. Then, we use 100% open source technology, developed and maintained by a community much stronger than any corporation there is. After training and adoption, there is nothing that locks you into this technology. Anybody can build an app. Since apps are built with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, all professional web developers will be able to follow our documentation and step-by-step instructions. In no time, internal teams and outsourced developers will be able to launch apps in just 1 week. Let me show you something important. Our centralized system in Salesforce.com handles all our operations. Salesmen on the road can check inventories and print invoices. Delivery trucks are connected via GPS and constantly report on deliveries. And our warehouse gets notified when a new order needs to be picked and prints all required labels. Well, someone says, my system does that too. Of course, they all do that. But the key is, how do you know that's the possible way of doing it? Is there a way of doing it? that will disrupt your market, who's going to do it first? You or your competition? It's simple. The one with a more flexible software solution is going to win. What happens if your CEO decides the business model has evolved, like Rolls-Royce jet engines? You no longer sell engines. Now we run them by the hour. Will distribution systems still work? How much time and money is it going to take to evolve? 10 years ago, a drastic change in business model was not common. Professional software developers always sign contracts that guarantee that required assumptions won't change. That's impossible. Learning means improving your assumptions. Today, change is a requirement. Companies are adopting lean methodologies, adapting their business model constantly. Software needs to follow through. In third quarter of 2013, we'll be making our technology, knowledge, and experience available worldwide. Register in our list of interested followers. Help us shape our business so that it fits your needs.